biggest damn bottle of liquor I ever picked up in my damn life.
What's going on, guys? Dave Santiago here from Scalp Solutions, and on today's episode we're going to be working on a third session, and the client is Juan Williams. And what's beautiful about Juan is that he's a psychotherapist. So in this episode he brings a unique perspective to hair loss and how us as men we deal with it. So guys, you're going to want to tune in for this one. Peace.
My name is Juan Williams and I'm from North Carolina actually, but I currently live in Harlem, New York for the past 10 years.
So you're a psychotherapist, right?
Yep.
So I know for me, when I started experiencing hair loss, like I feel like it had some effect on my mental health. So like you as a psychotherapist, like was that something that you were able to just like block because you kind of like counseled yourself? You know, or like did you have, you know, like were you experiencing like, man, that's like really messing me up?
Yeah, like to be honest, like I wish I could have been able to kind of like block that out, you know, just kind of go numb on it. But the reality is that it 100% affected my mental health for sure. You know, like I'm someone who has kind of always had like a high self-confidence.
Right.
And I feel like when my hair started falling out, or I started noticing the thinness, probably like early 2000s, I just really started noticing just kind of how insecure I was, how I really just kind of like isolated a lot. I wore hats all the time, and I just really just like hated the way I looked. I remember the day I came in here, like I was super nervous. I didn't know kind of how it was going to turn out. And I came in here feeling hopeful, but I didn't have any like high expectations of kind of how I was going to feel. And I also wasn't sure if I would tell anybody, like, you know,
that you did it. Right.
But I tell everybody now, like, oh, hell yeah, I got my shit done. And you look good and you feel good, man.
Yeah, so we can see you got the second session, but today, bro, it's gonna look right. What we're gonna do the third session. We're gonna let you chill for a little bit, let the, you know, some of the redness subside, and then we're gonna go nice little photo shoot.
Let's do it.
So today, actually, I'm here to get my third session. I've had the first two, and I've been really satisfied with the results. But I'm just excited to kind of have it completed. But I'm just kind of ready to just kind of like step into this new space I'm in. I think I'm ready, you know, to just step on into 2022 in a different space, bro. So I'm just ready to go.
All right, so what we gonna do today?
Whatever you do, please don't touch me.
Botch you? What are you talking about, man? I'll never do that.
Yeah, you know, there's a lot of botch jobs going on social media, and the hair looks like it's been painted on with spray paint. Please don't do that to me.
All right, man, you got it. I won't do that. By the power invested in me. Alright, my brother, I think we are done. Ready?
Yes, sir. Woo! Oh, yeah.
So, what's, you know, second session, you were like, yeah, this is good.
Third session, we like, yeah. Let's go.
So first we'll start right over here,
Direct one.
right? So you're gonna turn facing this light right here, right? Boom, right? And then you're just gonna look at me slightly like that, right? That right there is perfect. So I'm just gonna step back a little bit so it gives me some space.
That camera, that camera do things.
Listen, some people take pictures, some people make pictures. A little bit more. does not change from what you did with the first and second.
Got it.
Got the soap. Got the Aftercare oil. Remember, you don't want to saturate. Just clean up. Then we got this guy right here for you. All right. We got some shampoo.
Ooh, rosemary mint.
Conditioner.
That smells good.
We got the scalp scrub. We got
Set
the
up.
beard oil. The scrub, give it 3 weeks before you start using this on your
Okay.
scalp. All right. Then you can use it once a week.
Once a week, but wait 3 weeks until you do it.
Correct. Shampoo and conditioner, you can start using this shampoo and conditioner after your 10th day.
After 10 days.
Correct.
Gotcha.
Prior to that, you're gonna be using the soap that I gave you, and then you're gonna counter the dryness with the oil.
Gotcha.
And then this guy right here, keep that dome looking nice,
Absolutely.
hydrated, and moist. Good.
Good money.
So now
Appreciate
your
you.
third session, how you feel? What's the difference between the second and the third? Because the second session, you was like, "You sure I gotta come back?"
Yeah, second session I was feeling good, but like now I'm feeling like official. Thank you. Seriously.
Thank you. I
Thank you for the
appreciate
restoration. Thank you for the product. Thank you for Scalp Solution. I really appreciate you kind of
I appreciate
helping
you,
me get my
brother.
confidence, my sexy back.
Yeah, you got that back for sure.
Once I need to kind of restock, how can I access
You gotta
the
come
product?
all the way back up here. No, you can go online. All the products that I have are online.
Gotcha.
I'll have it to you. I'll ship it out within a day or two.
Oh,
All the products are online, brother.
nice. Beautiful. All right. Thank you, then. I look forward.
You're the man, bro. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in for today's episode. If there's anything else that you guys like to see on the Boston Hair Loss episodes, please comment or email us. Let us know. If you want to see further dialogue like that with my clients, also let me know. That also helps out, helps us get prepared for the next episode. Again, thank you for tuning in. Until the next time, peace out, guys.